Stop. Right now. Don't scroll. Don't move. Close your eyes for 5 seconds. Take a deep breath and ask yourself this one question. Am I really living? Or am I just existing? Everyone says they want more from life. They want freedom. They want peace. They want money. They want love. They want respect. They want a business they can call their own. They want the dream car, the perfect house, the lifestyle that looks amazing on Instagram. They want to feel alive. But here's the truth most people avoid. A wanting is easy. Everybody wants. But almost nobody does. So let me ask you, what are you doing today to get closer to the life you say you want? What are you doing right now to move even 1 inch forward? Are you still scrolling endlessly on social media? Are you still wasting hours watching people who already made it instead of building your own life? Are you still making excuses? Still sleeping late? Still afraid of failure? Still waiting for motivation to magically arrive? Still hoping life will just change on its own? Listen carefully. This life is real. This world is real. But your time. Your time is disappearing every single day. You don't get a second chance at this. You don't get to come back for another round. You don't get a reset button. This is it. This is your life. This is your one chance. And the scariest part? Most people will waste it. They will spend their days living the same routines. Complaining, comparing, dreaming, but never doing. And then one day they'll look back, full of regret, asking themselves, why didn't I start? Why didn't I try? Why did I waste so much time? Don't let that be you, because right now, you have a choice to keep existing or to start living. Now let me tell you the truth about life. Life doesn't care about your excuses. Life doesn't care about your comfort zone. Life doesn't care if you're tired, lazy, mice, or afraid. Life rewards only one thing. Action. If you take action, doors will open. If you take action, opportunities will come. If you take action, you will change. But if you don't, if you keep waiting for the right time, you will stay stuck exactly where you are. The right time doesn't exist. The perfect moment will never come. The stars will never align. There will always be a reason to delay, always a reason to quit, always a reason to wait. And if you keep waiting, and life will pass you by, so stop waiting. Stop planning endlessly. Stop dreaming without doing. Stop wishing without working. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Start today. Because the difference between people who succeed and people who fail is simple. It's not talent. It's not luck. It's not money. It's action. It's consistency. It's the decision to keep going even when it's hard. Even when it's boring. Even when it feels impossible. Now let's talk about your mindset. Because your mindset is either your prison or your power. If you keep telling yourself, I can't do this, I'm not ready, I'm not good enough, you're right, you won't do it. But if you tell yourself, I don't know how, but I will learn, I will try, I will fail, I will stand up again, I will not quit. You're also right, you will do it. Your brain believes whatever you feed it. If you feed it fear, it will give you fear. If you feed it doubt, it will give you doubt. But if you feed it belief, if you feed it courage, If you feed it possibility, it will give you power. Success is not about never failing. Success is about refusing to quit. Every champion was once a beginner, and every master was once a disaster. Every strong person you admire started weak. Every confident person you admire started scared. So stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Stop saying it's too late. Stop saying I'm not ready. Stop saying I don't have enough. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start. And let's be real. One of the biggest tools for success in today's world is simple. It's language. It's communication. It's English. Why? Because English is the language of opportunity. It's the language of business, of travel, of technology, of connection. If you can speak English with confidence, you can open doors that were locked before. Think about it. How many jobs require English? How many global opportunities are only available if you can communicate? How many times have you stayed quiet, not because you didn't have ideas, but because you didn't have the words? That ends today. Learning English isn't just about grammar. It's not about memorizing boring textbooks. And it's about giving yourself a voice. It's about unlocking your confidence. It's about standing in any room, anywhere in the world, and saying, I belong here, I can contribute, I can connect, and just like life, English requires one thing: action, consistency, practice. You can't just watch one video and expect to be fluent. You can't just read one lesson and expect to master it. But if you practice daily, if you speak daily, if you push yourself daily, your English will grow, your confidence will grow, and your opportunities will grow. So don't just listen to this. I speak it out loud. Repeat after me. Make mistakes. Because mistakes are proof you're trying. Mistakes are stepping stones to fluency. So mistakes are not your enemy. Fear is your enemy. Seer, now let's connect it back to success. Life will always test you. It will push you down. It will laugh at your dreams. It will challenge your patience. It will break you again and again. But here's the truth. The world doesn't destroy strong people. It reveals them. Every failure you face is shaping you. Every setback is teaching you. Every rejection is preparing you. So don't run from failure. Run toward it, because failure is feedback. Failure is growth. Failure is the tuition you pay for success. Winners are not people who never fail. Winners are people who fail more times than others even try. So keep failing, keep learning, keep moving, keep growing, because every step, no matter how small, takes you closer to your goal. And when it gets hard, because it will get hard, remember this. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is temporary. Motivation fades. Motivation disappears the moment life gets tough. But discipline stays. Discipline shows up when you don't feel like it. Discipline works when you're tired. Discipline keeps going when everyone else quits. If you build discipline, you build freedom. If you build discipline, you build success. If you build discipline, you build a life worth living. So stop chasing motivation. Build habits, build discipline, build consistency. And finally, remember this. No one is coming to save you. No one is coming to do it for you. No one is going to hand you the life you want. You have to take it. You have to fight for it. You have to decide every single day that you will not waste your life. This is your time. This is your chance. This is your one life. Don't waste it existing. Live it, own it, create it, because the clock is ticking. And the question is not, can you? The question is, will you? So, if you felt this message, if it woke something inside you, then don't just leave. Subscribe, because here, on the A1 English podcast, we don't just teach you English. We teach you life. We teach you confidence. We teach you to rise. So don't just scroll away. Take this energy with you. Start today, start now. Start building the life you deserve, because your future self is waiting, and they are begging you. Don't waste this chance, don't waste this life. This is your time. This is your life. Live it fully.